Friends, Mamshi, Gen Z, Gen X, Gen Y, Millennials, and the baby boomers, our generation. So, this afternoon, we check our analytics on YouTube. So, we have a new country watching our vlogs, Russia. Wow. Russia, thank you so much, Russia, for all the people there, mga kabayan who are watching our vlogs, no? Nasa ano siya fourth country watching us, no? On the ranking. So, Russia is the largest country on earth. So, it crossed into two continents, Europe and North Asia, kung hindi, Asia. Hindi tayo nagkakamali. And then, it has 11 time zones. Grabe, no? So, sa laki niya, it covers 11 time zones. And, it share land borders with 14 countries. So, ganun siyang kalaki and ganun kalapad or ka-expand yung countries na near siya. 14, no? Thank you so much, Raja, for watching our vlogs, especially our sharing devotionals on the Word of God, and of course, our travels. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.